In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to discover long-tail keywords in any niche. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the process of keyword research, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to uncover profitable, low competition, long-tail keywords that can drive traffic to your website or content. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific search phrases, and they're crucial for SEO because they typically have less competition and more targeted search intent. But how do you find them? Let's dive into it. First, you need to start by identifying the core keywords for your niche. These are the broad terms related to your industry, product, or service. For example, if you're in the health and fitness niche, broad keywords could be weight loss or fitness tips. Once you have your core keywords, it's time to dig deeper. One simple method is to head to Google and start typing your main keyword into the search bar. Google will suggest a variety of long-tail keywords as you type. These are phrases that people are actively searching for. Look at the searches related to section at the bottom of the search results page for more ideas. These are often overlooked but can be a goldmine of long-tail keyword ideas. Next, let's talk about using keyword research tools. One of the most effective tools is Google's Keyword Planner. You can input your broad keywords, and it'll show you related long-tail phrases, along with search volume and competition data. This helps you identify keywords with a good balance of traffic potential and low competition. I've tried a lot of keyword research tools, and one that I highly recommend is in the description below. It's an easy-to-use tool that can help you discover long-tail keywords in your niche with just a few clicks. And as a special bonus for my viewers, you can grab an exclusive free trial to try it out. Just click the link below, and you can follow along with the tutorial. Another great strategy is to use competitor analysis. Search for your core keyword and check out the top ranking pages. What long-tail keywords are they targeting? Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs let you reverse engineer the keywords your competitors are ranking for. This gives you a list of long-tail keywords that you can target in your own content. Look for phrases that have decent search volume but aren't overly competitive. You can also tap into social media and forums. Sites like Reddit, Quora, and niche Facebook groups are packed with real conversations. Search for topics related to your niche and see what specific questions or concerns people have. These often turn into perfect long-tail keywords. Once you've gathered a list of potential long-tail keywords, don't forget to validate them. You want to check the search volume and competition for each keyword to make sure they're worth targeting. Aim for keywords with a high search volume but relatively low competition. These are the sweet spots that will bring in organic traffic without too much struggle. Key takeaway here is that discovering long-tail keywords in any niche is about being strategic. Start with broad terms, then use tools and competitor analysis to narrow down to specific low-competition phrases that are highly relevant to your audience. To wrap up, here's what you need to remember. Use Google's auto-suggest and related searches, leverage keyword tools like Google's Keyword Planner, reverse engineer competitors, and mine social media and forums for topic ideas. And remember, I've linked an exclusive free trial of my recommended tool in the description below. So make sure to grab it and start discovering long-tail keywords for your niche. That's it for today. Take action with these strategies, and you'll soon see the impact of ranking for long-tail keywords. Thanks for watching.